Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on work done in compressing a spring. The question is as follows. An ideal massless spring of force constant K is equal to 100 newtons per meter is placed at the bottom of a smooth inclined plane of inclination 30 degrees with horizontal as shown in the figure. A block of mass m is equal to 10 kg is released from rest at the top of the incline. It comes to rest momentarily when the compression in the spring is 2 meters. Then the speed of the block when it just reaches the spring is. Take acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meters per second square. The options are root over 10 meters per second, root over 20 meters per second, root over 30 meters per second, and root over 40 meters per second. Now for the answer. Let the distance covered by the block before touching the spring is equal to S. This distance covered by the block is along the inclined plane. Therefore, vertical distance covered by the block is equal to S sin theta. Therefore, loss in potential energy of the block is equal to mgs sin theta. Let the speed of the block at this instant is equal to v. Therefore, gain in kinetic energy of the block is equal to half mv square. Therefore, conservation of energy gives half mv square is equal to mgs sin 30, which is equal to half mgs. This implies v is equal to root over gs. Now, the maximum compression in the spring is equal to 2 meters. Therefore, total distance covered by the block along the incline is equal to S plus 2 meters. Therefore, vertical distance covered by the block is equal to S plus 2 into sin 30, which is equal to half into S plus 2. Therefore, loss in gravitational potential energy is equal to half mg into S plus 2. Also, gain in spring energy is equal to half kx square. It is given that k is equal to 100 newtons per meter and x is equal to 2 meters. Putting these values and simplifying, we get spring energy is equal to 200 joules. From equations 2 and 3, we have half mg into S plus 2 is equal to 200, which implies S plus 2 is equal to 400 divided by mg. Putting the values and simplifying, we get S plus 2 is equal to 4 meters, which gives S is equal to 2 meters. From equation 1, we have V is equal to root over gs, which is equal to root over 20 meters per second, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.